Alright, so after we have already discussed about drama and performance based literature, and then we have already delved into the history of liberal arts education, and also we explore about the empirical studies related to the drama and performance based literature. Now we are going to discuss the strategies of using drama and performance based literature for language teaching. So, using drama and performance based literature in language teaching involves a variety of strategies designed to move the students from being passive receivers of knowledge to active or autonomous learners. And these strategies prioritize the first, communicative competence, the second, emotional engagement, and the third, authentic language use. And drama technique refer to all those strategies that accompany a dramatic discourse to help a better understanding and also a better performance of a text. Then there are some types of drama techniques, as we can see here from the pictures. The first is scripted plays. So, in scripted plays, we use pre-written text to practice formal language pronunciation and also intonation. And in scripted plays, it provided the text, and then the next is improvisation. So what is improvisation? So in improvisation there is a little bit challenging. So the students respond spontaneously to the situations without a preconceived plan, which focuses on fluency and creative thinking. So in improvisation we can highlight that there is no preparation. And then the next is role play and simulation. So role play here and simulation, putting students in real life or imaginary scenarios to practice functional language. And then for mime and frozen image building, both integrating physical movement and visual representation, the aid understanding and expression without relying solely in speech. So in mime, uh, there is move without voice, and in frozen image building, there is no movement and there is no voice. And in role play, being other character, for example, like doctor, priest, um, lecturer, and another character. And for the simulation, the difference is solve a big problem. For example, a meeting with a neighborhood to solve a problem. So now we would like to discuss 5-point plan for integrating drama activities into the lesson. So according to Susan Holden, there is a 5-point plan for integrating drama activities into the lesson. The first, the teacher presents the idea, theme, or problem to the students, organizing any preliminary work, ensuring that the students know precisely what to do. And then the second, students discuss in groups what and exactly how they will do the task. And the third, the students experiment in groups with various interpretations until they are satisfied with one. And then the next is students may show their interpretation solution to another group. And the fifth or the last is students may also discuss their solution in groups or with the rest of the class. And this discussion can serve as a form of assessment for the students of their work. Next, in using drama and performance based literature for language teaching, it creates a learner-centered environment. It means a key strategy in drama-based teaching is redefining classroom roles. So instead of being a lecturer, the teacher acts as a facilitator and also the supervisor. And also, there are educational benefits of integrating drama activities into the lesson. So, the first is reduce anxiety. So, the students being brave to do experiment and also encourage them to be brave without feeling shy. The second is holistic development. So it means drama doesn't develop our cognitive only, but also involve body, feeling, and social interaction. How to control the voice, understanding others' emotion, and also building the teamwork. And then the next is the third, contextualized language. So it means it's understand and using words appropriately. And the fourth or the last but not least is cultural awareness. So the students understand the culture and also different culture from their own culture.